Welcome to our kitchen, where we will be whipping up a batch of delicious keto low-carb chocolate chip cookies. Let's dive into the ingredients. Here's what you will need: 200 grams of almond flour, 2 eggs, 50 grams of unsalted butter, 5 tablespoons of double or heavy cream, 4 to 5 tablespoons of erythritol or any sweetener of your choice, 70 grams of dark chocolate chips, or you could chop up some dark chocolate into small pieces. First, preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And now let's get started. I partly melted the butter. You don't have to do that. It just needs to be soft enough to mix it up with the rest. Then I added the sweetener here. And you can see the butter is a little bit still firm and some part is melted, and mixed it together. And then put it all together with the almond flour. Next, you add the eggs and heavy cream, and you mix until everything is well incorporated. Allow the mixture to rest for a few minutes. Now fold in the dark chocolate chips until they are evenly distributed throughout the dough. If the mixture seems too wet, you can add a bit more almond flour. Line a baking tray with parchment paper and scoop the cookie dough onto the tray, shaping them into your desired size and thickness. Bake the cookies in the preheated oven for 13 to 15 minutes or until they're golden brown around the edges. Adjust the baking time to your desired level of crispiness. Once baked, allow the cookies to cool down. They will firm up as they cool. And there you have it, delicious keto low-carb chocolate chip cookies. Super easy, super yummy. Enjoy this healthy treat guilt-free.